Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to generate AI subtitles in VLC Media Player so you can easily add subtitles to your videos. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open VLC Media Player and play the video file for which you want to generate subtitles. This is necessary because VLC needs the video loaded to match and sync the subtitles correctly. Step 2. Click on View from the top menu bar in VLC Media Player. This menu gives access to additional tools and extensions that are not visible by default. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on VLSub. VLSub is a built-in extension in VLC that helps search and download subtitles directly from online databases. Step 4. In the VLSub window, type the exact name of the video or movie. Entering the correct name helps VLC find the most accurate subtitle files. Step 5. Click on Search by Name to find available subtitles online. VLC will connect to subtitle sources and display a list of matching results. Step 6. Select the appropriate subtitle from the list and click Download to load and sync it with the video. Once downloaded, the subtitles will automatically appear and play in sync. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more easy and helpful tutorials.